Hi, I'm Mary Ah, and I'm at the world-famous Butterfly Loft Salon, where all the Danger Jones products are created and tested. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys all the things you need to know to get started with our new Zero Lift Gloss Toners. What makes our gloss toners so different? The consistency. Most of the liquid toners I've used can be too runny, which can make it difficult to really control exactly where you're applying the toner. We made our gloss toners with a creamier consistency so that we can easily control where it goes and we can be certain it won't drip down to any areas we don't want it to. Some brands have tried to combat this problem by creating cream-based toners. While this might be easier to control, in my experience, they don't deposit enough color, which leads to muted and sometimes dull results. These cream-based toners pale in comparison to the shine and pigment of our gloss toners. With Danger Jones gloss toners, a new pathway has emerged, and we really found the sweet spot here. A creamy consistency that's easy to apply and control without sacrificing the vibrancy and shine of the pigment. So now you can truly blend two colors together seamlessly without any hard lines every single time. In fact, every one of our gloss toners has a bonder inside. This protects and strengthens the hair, and it reduces hair breakage. What else is inside these toners? Well, apple cider vinegar is one of the stars of the show because it leaves a lustrous shine. And the other star of the show is chia seed oil because it reduces color fading. The combination of the bonder and apple cider vinegar and chia seed oil come together to help recondition the hair fibers, seal the cuticle, and give the hair a smooth and vibrant shine. One other important thing that makes our gloss toners different is that they're non-drying. Most liquid toners I've used in the past really dry out the hair, leaving it feeling brittle. Fortunately, a new alternative has emerged because Danger Jones gloss toners don't dry out the hair. So now that you know what makes them different, let's take a look at how to use them. Using either a tint bottle or bowl and brush, mix 1 part gloss toner to 1 part developer, so 1:1 equal parts. We formulated our gloss toner developers to be specifically used with our gloss toners for that perfect consistency. After mixing, you can apply the mixture on damp or dry hair and let it process. The standard processing time is 10 minutes, but you can leave it on for less time if you want a softer tone. Fully rinse, shampoo, and condition as needed, and then dry in style. A few important notes. Our gloss toners have an acidic no-lift formula. Therefore, you can use our gloss toners with confidence knowing they won't lie in any natural hair color. When applying to higher concentrations of gray hair, like more than 50% gray, adjust the processing time to 30 minutes. Gray hair can be stubborn, so this extra time ensures great blending. Our gloss toners are not progressive, which means if they're left on longer than the standard processing time, they won't get any darker. You'll notice we use a numbering system to indicate the levels and the bases. You can easily see them on the front and the top of each bottle. The first number indicates the level, 1 through 10. The numbers after the dash indicate the bases, 0 through 8. In this example, 10-32 means this is a level 10, gold 3, violet 2. Danger Jones is known as an innovative company, and this extends to the launch strategy for these toners. Our team has created 56 gloss toners and 1 pairing developer. We also have a clear, 0-0. This can be used to custom dilute any of our gloss toner colors, or it can be used on its own as a glossing surface for added shine. There's also a color book with all the color swatches, or if you prefer, you can also download a digital color chart directly from our website. There are so many ways to use our gloss toners. You can use them for color correcting, gray blending, prepping the canvas for a creative color, but my all-time favorite is using them for all of my blonding services. I love how easy they are to use and how noticeable the shine and the condition is. On a personal note, I want to say that I'm extremely proud of my relationship with Danger Jones. They've created a much-needed alternative to the corporate giants that dominate our industry. Danger Jones has also created a community that provides a pathway for me to connect to others who share my belief system and my values, and that provides so many opportunities for artists to grow and to shine. I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about the new Danger Jones Zero Lift Gloss Toners with Bonder. If you want to learn more about all these products or learn more toning techniques, connect with us on our Facebook group, Danger Jones Asylum, and stay tuned for lots of live education coming your way in salons, in stores, and at our booth at the upcoming live trade shows. We hope to see you guys there.